Okay, I'm back again. It's Greg. We're here with another video. This time we're going to talk about probability and how to use probability in your choose your own adventure game if you're making it alongside me. So as you can see, things may look a little different. I've added some simple probability checks for the dragon. Last time the dragon just killed you if you ran into him, but this time you have a chance for him to be a friendly dragon. So we're going to add more chance onto this, so you know exactly how I did it. But essentially what's happening right now is you go to the dragon, you try to run away, you either fail and the dragon burns you alive, or you get away, or rather the dragon stops you and tells you he's a nice guy and he's gonna let you know where the treasure is, which will lead you to, of course, the treasure. So what we want to do from here is create a new scene. This scene is going to be the result of what the treasure is. So we'll actually make two scenes. One of them is going to be pass and one of them is going to be fail. So here we are. We have two dragons. We're going to get rid of them. So the first one will be gold. Right. A gold shielded you, so maybe we're getting a new weapon. And amazing. So we'll just say that that's the wizard talking for now. The next one, ooh, I tell you what, let's just make this link back to the fire. You'll see what I mean in a second. So we open the chest from here, and we're going to need to transition to a block, which will be the probability block. So a new entry, new block rather, probability. And it'll be another simple probability check. So click here, transition to block, simple probability. And simple probability is going to go on a pass to scene 6, which we will call Gold Shield. And on fail, well, the dragon will have been a liar and he'll take us back to the flames. Okay, so now our adventure's getting a little bigger. All that's left is to test it out, make sure everything's tidy. Oh, right, and of course you want to end it. That is often important. Okay, so we're gonna add one more element, one last element. We're gonna try and fight the dragon, so we're gonna use another kind of probability. Oh, by the way, you might have noticed everything got shifted around. I moved stuff around a little bit. Kind of didn't help, but hey, we're going with it. So this one will be fight dragon with you, with bare hands. That is manly. Okay, so this one's going to be pretty simple. We're going to use a new type of probability. Well, I guess there's only one type of probability, but we're going to roll the dice. So what we're going to do here, and this is kind of uses D&D rolls, so we'll use 1d6. So basically that means you're rolling one dice with 6 sides, or rather, yeah, 6 sides, 6 possible options. So from there, we're going to make this transition to another block. You basically have to do these in blocks of 2. The first always being the dice roll, the second always being the dice roll check. Continuing, essentially you're going to compare your dice roll to the dice roll. But in theory it could be anything, and if you had 2d20, that means it would roll 2 20-sided dice. But we'll do 1d6 to keep it fair. Hey, wait, you know what? It's a dragon. We'll do 1d10. So the dragon... Actually, I guess technically that could be more fair for you. Nope, I'm stupid, forget it. The dragon will definitively have the advantage. So 1d10 for the dragon. So basically, we want to test... let's say we want it to be greater than or equal to 3. So from here, we just connect everything, and we should be good to go. Of course, we're going to have to make a new scene for what happens when you fight the dragon. I think it gives us a sword or something. Check dice roll. Okay. And this will go to our handy dandy flame scene. And we'll create a new scene. It's going to be, again, a character scene. And this time, we're going to have a sword as the reward. For beating the dragon, you will receive a sword. This is a cool looking sword. You've slain the... and received a sweet sword. Okay, so from check dice roll, we would go to scene 7. Let's name this bad boy Sword. And from here, it's pretty much autopilot, right? We just end the scene. We want to connect this guy to roll dice. And yeah, that's all there is to it. That's just another kind of probability. Let's go ahead and real quick before we finish, we can actually look at another type of probability here, and it's going to be the coin flip. It's effectively the same thing as simple probability. The deal with simple probability, though, if we look at one, so let's look at this one, you can actually modify the amount or chance that you're going to succeed or fail. So if we have it at 0.1, that means there's a 10% chance that you're going to pass. So 1 would be 100% all of the time you're going to succeed, but we'll keep it at 0.5. Again, this is essentially the same thing as rolling the dice, or rather, I'm sorry, as flipping the coin, because it's the 50-50, right? So, alright, we're good to go, and from here we're going to check out the game on my phone. So as you can see, I'm running through the scenario a few times, getting different results each time, all based on probability. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.